Hello friends, in this video I will be explaining how to create a GitHub account. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you just open the Google Chrome. Type GitHub and press the enter button. You can see the first website http://github.com and click on it. It will take you to official website of GitHub. In the top right corner, you see the sign up button and also in bottom. You can use both button for signups on desktop. Click on the sign up button. It will take you to another window. It will ask your email ID. So I just add the Gmail ID in it. You need to use the personal ID. Click on continue. You need to give a proper password. So I am giving my password. Once you getting the strong password, it will show you the green color. Click on continue. Now you can give the username. So the username will be unique. It will check globally. You can give your own name if your name is available. If your username is already exist like Ali, so take the other username. So I just give simple username according to GitHub. You should remember the username and password. Just click on continue. Now it will ask yes option to get the updates. Normally write Y to continue. Now it will ask you to solve the puzzle. It's checking whether the user is human or robot. Just click on start. It asks you to select the spiral galaxy. Click on create an account. When the account is created, you can see the password ID. You use the code will send to corresponding email ID. I am typing the code in the box. It will take you to the welcome screen of GitHub. Click on just me. GitHub asks are you student or teacher, just select the student. Click on continue. It will asking for plans, since we are not going to for pro. We just go for free to continue. Now you will get some animation. And it will initialize your dashboard. It will take you to the official page of GitHub account. If you want to take URL of your GitHub account, you just click on the top right corner. You will see an icon here. Click on profile. You will get official page now. In top of website, copy the URL dot. So I am opening the new browser and sharing the URL to someone here. Now I paste the URL. If I press the enter, you can see that the official page of your GitHub account will accessible for